Welcome to Nano Tech. Here, I showcase latest technology, innovations, gadgets, machines and tools from all around the world. Subscribe Nano Tech and press bell icon for latest update. The Stator electric scooter is truly one of a kind. Between the giant wide-wheeled tires and the single one-sided cantilever 4130 chromoly handlebar, the Stator is as innovative as it is striking. Those wide wheels aren't just for show either. Not only do they house and protect a 1000 watts motor, but they are also part of the self-balancing nature of the scooter. With the battery weight solidly below the wheel axles and a wide contact patch, the scooter is essentially self-riding and doesn't require a kickstand. Push it sideways and it functions like a weeble. It wobbles, but it won't fall down. Its batteries acting as a counterweight come in either a 500 Wh pack sufficient for 10 miles of range or a 1000 Wh pack that can provide 20 miles of range. Charging takes 4 hours on a standard charger or 1.2 hours on a fast charger. The Stator has a top speed of 25 miles per hour, which is definitely faster than most other electric scooters. Snikky Bike. The Snikky Bike combines the agile riding properties of a kick scooter with the stability and comfort of a road bike into an effortless all-electric vehicle. The powerful 36-voltage lithium-ion battery pack can be locked in the frame to allow you to leave it without a worry, or can easily be retracted for recharge or for safekeeping. With very few but highly reliable components, the Snikky Bike requires extremely low maintenance. See and be seen. By standing in an upright position, you increase your field of view and allow others to see you from further away. With a reduced wheelbase of only 28 inches and a steep head tube, the Snikky Bike allows you manage extremely tight corners due to its short turning radius. A large front wheel to overcome any obstacle the city puts in your way, and a small rear wheel to increase acceleration and climbing capabilities. Be part of the low-carbon solution with a 100% electric mobility system, costing around $0.10 to recharge. Segway Drigt W1 Hovershoes. The Segway Drigt W1 e-skates are very easy to pick up and learn. Utilizing Segway's next-generation self-balancing technology, just step on and get going effortlessly in minutes. The high-power hub motor and spindle-shaped tread design help achieve more flexible steering. Elastic bands at the bottom allow you to easily carry your e-skates in one hand. The Drigt W1's battery contains dual protection and an intelligent battery protection system, allowing it to monitor battery health in real time. The one-piece magnesium alloy body keeps each Segway Drigt W1 under 9 pounds, making them easy to carry and transport. The Segway Drigt W1 to be one of the lightest and most portable products on the market. Impossible Bike. The Impossible Bicycle's frame is built using circular components instead of a single horizontal girder common in other electric bike designs. The circular design of the frame helps to ensure that the bike spreads the weight equally across the frame. Each circular frame is made out of carbon fiber to ensure the bike is strong as well as lightweight and connects together using a central steel box to further enhance durability. This steel box can easily bear the weight of the rider and withstand the shocks associated with everyday use. The saddle and carrying case are combined to keep the bicycle compact and easy to carry, while handlebars are extended upwards and can be adjusted to the rider's needs. A small disc motor powered by 10 rechargeable batteries allows the bicycle to travel up to 12.4 miles per hour for 45 minutes, or at a steady pace for up to 15.6 miles. Later incarnations of Impossible will feature removable covers available in a range of colors and other customizable parts, such as wheels and handlebars. General Motors NV technology. NV, short for Electric Networked Vehicle, is a two-seat local emission-free vehicle propelled by electric motors in each of its two driving mode wheels. The motors not only provide power for acceleration, but also bring the vehicle to a stop. Power for the motors is provided by lithium-ion batteries, and recharging can occur from a conventional wall outlet using standard household power. The NV is able to travel at least 40 kilometers on a single charge. It can also communicate with the electric grid to determine the best time to recharge based on overall usage. Dynamic stabilization technology gives NV the ability to carry 2 passengers and light cargo in a footprint that's about a third that of a traditional vehicle, as well as enabling it to turn on a dime. Manual or autonomous, that is by combining the global positioning system, GPS, with vehicle-to-vehicle communications and distance sensing technologies, the NV concept can be driven both manually and autonomously. The Kiwano electric self-balancing scooter is the world's first single-wheeled stunt scooter. With a powerful electric motor, intuitive and responsive body control, and hard yet smooth braking, it gives you an incredible riding experience like no other electric rideable. Kiwano sports a long-range battery pack, water-resistant electronics, advanced connectivity, a high-torque custom motor, and full-body carbon fiber material construction. With its new turn and go feature, it allows you to make quick and safe turns in new directions. Step, launch and go with the AutoDeck smart control system. Enjoy ultimate riding performance with completely custom designed wheel hub motor. Adjust power and speed depending on skill level, using rider modes. Climb typical urban hills of up to a 20 degrees incline. Execute smooth advanced tricks with the shock suspension system. Yikebike. Every part of a Yikebike is for a reason and everything is in its place. Its uncompromised design with structured clean lines balances both form and function. Yikebike is a mobile piece of art that stands proud and performs. Yikebike design offers an indulgence, fun and freedom encompassed inside technology. Yikebike is a fashion statement and an extension of your personality. Innovative design delivers time, safety and efficiencies in portability. Yikebike is seeking a merger and acquisition with all technology, design, patents, intellectual property, tooling, stock and manufacturing systems for sale. The Model V is constructed of hydroformed aluminium and composite reinforced polymer, designed to give you freedom. The additional option of an articulated 3-wheel rear axle offers flexibility and different riding configuration. Ryno microcycle. Ryno relies on the same balance technology as other electronically stabilized products like remote-controlled helicopters, jet planes and spaceships. The technology uses the combination of an accelerometer sensor that knows where the center of the Earth is, a gyroscopic sensor that is highly reactive to sensing tilt angles, and a set of motors to drive the wheel back and forth under the center of gravity. As the bike leans forward, the motors drive the wheel under the rider to keep the bike in balance. To accelerate, the rider simply pushes down on the handlebars with enough force to prevent the tilt angle from coming back to zero. On the Ryno, the rider sits comfortably and naturally upright. Field-tested motorcycle ergonomics were easily adapted to the Ryno's frame, despite its unique size and balance requirements. The Ryno rider sits more upright than the rider of a typical street-oriented sport bike, allowing them to more quickly and easily pull back and The Onewheel Plus operates outside of the boundaries of physics and logic. It's unlike any board I have ever ridden. The thick deck is balanced on a fat, heavy tire that's 10 inches wide and 10 inches across. When you step onto the board, the Onewheel's 3 gyroscopes and 3 accelerometers kick into action. The motor starts and all of a sudden you and the board are held level. Rather than using a handheld controller, the Onewheel Plus reads minute shifts in your body positioning. If you look and slightly lean towards where you want to go, it heads in that direction. If you recoil from going too fast or thrust your body impatiently forward, it slows down or speeds up. The board also leans as you turn, giving you that intensely satisfying carving sense. Halfbike II. There will always be plenty of room to challenge yourself and explore new horizons. Riding a halfbike delivers a one-of-a-kind feeling, no matter whether you're just starting or you're a pro. Halfbike is both compact and light, so you can take it practically everywhere with you. Since it's foldable, you'd be allowed to take it on board most public transit systems. When folded, a halfbike fits easily in the trunk of even a small car, under your desk at work or in an overcrowded closet. You can put it inside a lift and even easily carry it when you need to take the stairs, for it is under 18 pounds and quite small. Basically a half-bike would fit into most spaces too small for a regular bike. The retail price of a half-bike after the campaign is set at $599. Half-bike fits best people up to 6'4", 190 centimeters, and up to 200 pounds, 90 kilograms. This is just a rough guideline though, since it's mostly a question of personal feel and comfort. The frame is made of aluminum and laser cut, which makes it light and yet strong enough to endure years of riding. Hoverbike. Hoversurf's new flight computer consists of 3 separate blocks connected by CAN bus with its own processor in each unit, an external information display, a tuning system, and an updated firmware V1085, which is designed specifically for a Hoverbike S3. Auto takeoff, auto landing, L, alt hold, manual, and RC control are also available. Anatomical arm adjustable joysticks with covers made of genuine leather, dashboard convenient for glove use, laser all-weather lighter. The weight of the Hoverbike is 114 kilograms, 253 pounds, limited by law, but by reducing the weight of the frame, it allowed us to install a more capacious battery. Our safe flight altitude is 5 meters above the ground, 16 feet. Fat Tire Golf Scooter. The best single-rider solutions in golf set your course apart by offering a single-rider option with the Fat Tire Golf Scooters. These extremely fun and easy-to-ride scooters will not only attract golfers to your course, but will bring them back more often. A small additional fee added to the round brings in additional revenue to the course and can easily more than cover the cost of the scooter. Our leasing option allows the course to begin seeing additional profit the very first month. With each golfer going directly to their ball, playing time is greatly reduced, allowing for more rounds in a day. The light weight of the Fat Tire golf scooters generate much less wear and tear than a traditional golf cart. Inmotion V10. Thousands of iridescent colors, more choices for you to D your lamps. Every V10 is different, just decorate your mood and trip via Inmotion app. Magnesium pedals with silicone rubber, larger contact area to make your feet comfortable. Never worry about the extra long rides. Ergonomics and design, upgraded soft pad. Smart voice prompts, customization available. Bluetooth stereo speakers, moving in your music. More powerful brushless hub motor. The max slope could reach 30 degrees. This is tested while riding under full power, 75 kilograms load, 25 degrees centigrade, 15 kilometers per hour average speed on the smooth pavement. Riding habit, environment, temp, road condition, load, and other factors will affect the ranges. This slope was measured in the case when the load is 75 kilograms. Charging time varies with the ambient temperature and the battery capacity that may change in the course of time. Moto Parilla SUV Carbon e-bike. The electric bike realm didn't used to have an SUV niche like the car world does. But we guessed that was bound to happen sooner or later. And it did. That's why we can present you the Moto Parilla Carbon Limited Edition electric bicycle. Sure, it does remind us of a beefed-up enduro motorbike, thanks to the chunky tires and a frame that looks like it's been manufactured out of Robocop spare parts, but overall, this is a cool product to look at. Plus, we're guessing riding one is just as fun, especially on rough terrain. So let's find out more about Moto Parilla's carbon bike. The Carbon SUV e-bike is perhaps the most advanced and exclusive concept of e-bike available today. The Carbon SUV e-bike is a combination of stability, lightness, and strength, perfect for everyday hill climbing, off-road trips, snowy ground, and regular fun bike riding.